Lagi kang kailangang mag-excel. Bawal mapagod, bawal magkamali. Pero hanggang kailan? Mental health and stress issues in the workplace. Let's talk about constant pressure to perform. Yung kahit nag-deliver ka kahapon, today, reset ulit. Yung papuri sa'yo is very short. Pero yung expectation, sobrang taas. Every day feels like a test. Hit the target, beat the deadline. Always outdo yourself. And if not, you're not trying hard enough. You're falling behind. You're replaceable. Ending, pagod ang katawan, gulo ng isip, ubos ang gana sa trabaho. No room for learning. No room for mistakes. Just results, results, results. High standards are good, pero kung wala ka ng pahinga, hindi na yan motivation. Pressure cooker na yan. Sustainable success comes from support, not suffocation. Hindi mo din kailangan maging excellent everyday. Ang importante, buo ka pa din sa dulo. Follow for more!